Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Hi guys, this is Ian, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the song Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra using some simple chords and a simple strumming pattern. So basically, starting with the chords that we use in this song are A minor, D minor, G, C, F, E, A, F minor, and E minor. Alright, now some of you might be thinking that's a lot of chords to know for this song, but what I'll do is I'll explain to you how you can play this song without having to use the E major chord, the A chord, and the F minor chord. Alright, so I'll explain the sections where they're used and also show you how you can play those sections without using those chords. Alright, so those are the chords. The strumming pattern which I use in this song goes like this: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, so if I were to show you one loop of that strumming pattern, it would be down, down, up, down, up. Alright, and you would play that strumming pattern once for each chord. Okay, so alright, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to go through the entire song where I'm going to show you how the chords and the lyrics line up. So starting with the first verse, we've got A minor, fly me to the D minor, moon and let me G, play among the C stars. Then F, let me see what D minor spring is like on E, Jupiter and A minor, Mars. Okay, so here, right after you play A minor is followed up with the A. But as I was saying, that you could play this song without playing some of these chords. And so in terms of optional chords, you don't have to play E or A in this section. You could just play, instead of playing let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars, instead of playing that, you could play this. You could play F, let me see what D minor spring is like on E minor, Jupiter and A minor, Mars, and then just don't worry about the A whatsoever. And then from here you go into the next section, D, starting with D minor, in other words, then G, hold my C, and then A minor, and back to D minor, in other words, then G, baby C, kiss me, and then E. Alright, so again, here, instead of playing E, you could just play E minor. You could just play baby kiss me. Alright, and that's perfectly acceptable if you're just trying to get through the song. Alright, so going to the next verse, we've got A minor, fill my heart with D minor, song and let me G, sing forever C, more than F, you are all I D minor, long for all I E, worship and A minor, adore, then A. Okay, so again, you don't have to play E, you can play E minor, and you don't have to play A, you can just skip that altogether. Alright, and then going to the next part of the verse, D minor, in other words, G, please be C, true, then A minor. Okay, so here the E is followed right after the A minor, but again, you don't have, so for this part you don't have to play E. So instead of playing please be true, instead of playing that, you can just play please be true. So C, A minor, and just skip the E. Alright, then from here into the next line, D minor, in other words, G, I love, and then here you play F minor, you, then C. So if you don't want to play the F minor, what you can do is you can just go straight into C. So you can play, in other words, so D minor, in other words, G, I love you, C, and then just play C for 2 loops. So where you'd play F minor, you just play C, all right? So to let you hear what that sounds like, instead of playing D minor, in other words, G, I love you. Instead of playing that, you can play, in other words, I love you. All right, so you just go straight to C, okay? Then from there, here, normally you'd play a solo, but you can see how that's played in the playthrough. It's essentially playing through the entire verse, but where no one is singing. So, and after that, you're going to go into the third verse, where it follows the same progression as what you did before, but just for the sake of being thorough, we're going to go through the lyrics for this section as well. So starting with A minor, it's fill my heart with D minor song and let me G sing forever, C more, then F, you are all I, D minor, long for all I, E, worship Anna, A minor, door, then A. Okay, and then from here you'd go into the last lines of the verse where it's D minor, in other words, so D minor, in other words, then G, please be, then C, so here you're going, please be true, then A minor, ooh, in, then D minor, other words, then G, in, D minor, other words, then G, I love, then C, you. So that's how you play this song using simple chords. And so if you want to see how everything is all played together, please feel free to click on the link down in the description below, and that will take you to a playthrough of the entire song with chords and lyrics, where you'll see how the chords and strumming pattern and everything is all put together. So with that, just want to say thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.